Hi, welcome again to another tutorial. So today we're going to be doing a sales flyer. Let's go to our Pixel lab. Let's open our Pixel lab. Let's delete this that is here so we have a plain background. Then let's go to our background. So we change the color of our background. We're making use of white background. Do the same, make use of white too. So after you are done choosing our background, we'll go to this shape side. Here we're going to be importing an image. I sent you two images, so we're going to make use of the two of them. Here is for import. If you want to import a picture to your background, this is what you will use. So let's make use of it. Import. It will take you to your import zone. Now I'm just going to look for my image. This is it. Then when you're done, just mark your good here. Then here is our image. Let's increase it a little. Let me increase it a little. This is okay. Meaning you're done increasing your image to the size you want it. You go to this place here, the place you want to merge. You click on it and lock your image so that it won't be moving up and down to stay in the position you want it to be. If you still want to increase it later on or reduce it, you can still unlock it and work on it. But for now, let me lock it. You see now, I cannot move it anywhere. So let's input our text. Remember, it's a sales flyer we are doing today. Let me edit it. Gift fast food services. Okay. Let's change the color of this text here. I'll be making use of this orange color. When I'm done choosing my color, mark my good. Then let's change the font. This is okay for me. Let me increase a little. Now let me input my shape. This shape. You reduce it like this. You draw here. You move it. You increase your radius a little. Then we just fill in color. I'll use the same color I use for my test. You fill in color. Let me increase the radius a little. This is okay. Then mark your good so you can still work on it like this. Increase. Just take your time and arrange your work. Don't be in a haste. Just take your time and make sure your work is well arranged. So in this shape here, this should be where my address will be. Address. Let me add my text. Let me edit it. Let me just say house 13 Choba. Sorry. Port Harcourt. Okay. Then I'll draw it to be on the same line. I'll reduce it so it can fit in this our shape. I see that most people find it difficult to make their work fit in a shape. You just make use of this stuff here to increase and reduce your work. Now let me change the color of this. I'll make use of white. White is okay. Then let me also change the font. This is fine. This is okay. If you want to mesh these two together, you can do it. But now let me import sorry, let me choose another shape, circle. What I'll just do here is just to fill in my color. I'll not do anything to it, just to fill in my color. And the color I'm going to use is the same color I used before. Then I mark my good. Now I need to touch this my image a little, so I will unlock it. I will unlock it. I want to reduce it a little, it's too big. Let me lock my image so it will not move. I've locked it. So still on this circle, we'll go to texture. Look at it here. We'll click on it. Then to show you something like this, we're going to want to import an image inside the circle. So you click on this that is here. It will take you to images. I'm going to be making use of this. This is an indomie someone cooked though. I'll make use of this. You see how it is. Then if you don't like it like this, you can make use of this scale. For me, I will make mine to be like this. And this is okay for me. Then I'm done, I mark my good. Still on this tab, I will still screw for stroke. Look at it here. We made use of it yesterday. So this stroke, you click on it, you enable your stroke. I'll still choose this my orange color. Then I increase my stroke width a little. This is okay. I mark my good. Look at my work, is already looking beautiful. Then what is remaining here? The price. The price of this indomie. So let us input our test. Let me edit my test. Fee. Let me put 1,000. Okay. Let me change the color of this that is here. Let me change the color of this our test. I'll still make use of that orange color. I don't want my work to look rough. Then I mark my good. Then let's change the font. I'll make use of Amaranth Bold. I want it bold. Then my work is already looking beautiful. Then what is many here is the contact. So still on this A, we import our text again. Let me edit it. Contacts. Plus 234903825. Okay. Let us draw it to be on the same line. Let's reduce it a little. Let me change the color, still my orange color. Hope this is simple for you to do. Then our font. If you still want to bolding it, you still go to this A tab and scroll, you will see big B. Look at it here if you want to bolding it. But I've already used a font that is ready for bolding. But in case you use another font and you want to bolding your text, this is what you just do. You click on this B that is here and you click on this B here. Just click on it, it will bold. My work is already bold. Look at it. This flyer is already looking beautiful. So this is just your assignment to do this same flyer. Use the same background that I use. What you can only change here is your color. In case you want to change your color or your font. But use the same background and the same image. Everything I did here rather is what you're going to do. Then don't forget to save as project in case of anything. What should I call it? Let me just put V here because I have a lot of things here. Then you save as image. So you can go to your gallery. The image is saved. Thank you. See you another time.